So, we will start now to estimate. Dahil napasok ko na siya sa plan suite, then start tayo sa footing. Yung plano ng footing. Ito yung schedule ng footing. This is the schedule of footing. So, the F1 is 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters. Thickness is 0.40. May 10 bakal siya na 16 mm by x axis, and the y axis is 10 din. The F2 naman is 1.20 by 1.20. The thickness is 0.40. Then the bakal niya is 16 mm. Both sides, x and y axis. Yung F3 niya is yun ng malaki, 6.65 length. Yung width niya is 4.45. Thickness is 0.40. Meron siya yung bakal niya is top and bottom bars. Meron siyang sa taas at saka meron siyang sa baba.